Awareness is a very important characteristic to develop. Because if you are not aware or you are not validating that you have this witness or you have this strength, you cannot act or make a decision on that regard. Because if you have believed that you are perfect, you have no way of improving yourself because you already reached the maximum capacity or maximum level of those specific skills or specific position, you will not grow. You will not strive for improvement. And in vice versa, if you think that you cannot do it, or you think you are not capable or you are not deserving of something, you will also not try in doing those things. And by not trying, you will giving away your opportunity to improve, the opportunity to success, the opportunity to get lucky. And being aware can make wonders on your life, because if you are aware that you are capable of this and capable of that, and you are aware that you need to improve this, improve that, you can pinpoint or you can redirect your attention or your time in improving those areas. And by being aware, you will exponentially improve or grow those skills, and one day you will be so amazed how far you go. And even those areas that you think you are not capable at first, by being aware that you have weakness of that and developing the right skill or right mindset, someday it's not impossible no more. Someday it will be your reality, and someday you will get there. And I know that for a fact because you are a waker of this waking era. Because we're not contented on being average no more. We are not contented on the status quo, because we are waking. And as always, welcome to this era, the waking era. See you again next time, wakers.